It's not even that early. It's 7:30 a.m. And we are going on a boat in an hour to go to Buck Island. And yeah, we'll see what today's adventures bring. But when I was booking the trip, I saw that they had a film camera that you can shoot photos underwater. So I was like, hey, for $20 extra. So I was like, okay, let me try and get one so I can try and shoot photos. But yeah, I'm very tired. I like sleeping in on this vacation and in general, so I'm gonna see what we capture today, what fun we have today, and just bring you all along this journey. I am so tired.
Who's ready for Buck Island? Woo! All right, guys, let's get going.
Oh yeah, also the kids were shooting film today. It was pretty fun. Though I'm sure the photos are not going to come out. Ooh, walking on this beach is horrid. Wilson! Day six. Finally going diving. Yep. Let's go, Jeremiah. Easy. Woo! typically after like a good dive, we usually go get something to eat. I don't know where we're at now. Uncle's treat for us. So yeah, about to go enjoy some food and then just rest for the rest of the day. All right, so today I read something that's like pretty interesting to me that I'd like to share with you guys. I'm not sure who wrote this or where it comes from, so I gotta kind of find out where that comes from. But it says that any photographer who takes the time to react to what he or she is photographing, as well as to aim the lens and push the button at it, will never feel the same about his subject after he has photographed it. His contemplation will have given him a deeper understanding of whatever he has photographed, be it mountains or plants or people. As with every day while out here pretty much like photographing, it's just been interesting. I'm really honestly just like, I don't have too much to say, at least at this moment. I'm just kind of photographing what I'm feeling, but it's hard to communicate it while I'm out here kind of just enjoying myself. Making sure I'm not walking in the water. But yeah, as I'm just out here kind of just enjoying myself, enjoying my family, enjoying my time, and just taking this time to rest. But it's just so beautiful. It's so peaceful. Like, I love just listening to the water. I love listening to the rain. And just like the environment and the atmosphere. It's so beautiful. And just soaking as much as that in as possible. And, you know, photos may not mean anything right now, but later down the line, they'll have that meaning. Just right now, I guess I'm just in a mode of just creating memories for my family and myself, of just where we are all at in life at this current moment. Freaking absolutely beautiful out here. This is making me love this camera. Oh my gosh. The only thing illuminating right me is the camera screen and the moon, and then what's over there. ISO is at 20,000 right now. Any words, Gerald? Short?
I'm overwhelmed. I mean, I just feel like I feel like my dad and my grandmother and everybody, all of our ancestors, like, are just showing themselves off, just showing that they're here with us. You don't get this.